Millions of Iraqis are grateful for the chance they have been given to live in freedom. 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 American coalition forces in the early stages of military operations to disarm Iraq, to free its people, and to defend the world from raping. On my orders, coalition forces have begun striking selected targets and military equipment to undermine Saddam Hussein's ability to wage war. These are opening stages of what will be a broad and concerted campaign. More than 35 countries are giving crucial support, from the use of naval and air bases to help with intelligence and logistics to the deployment of combat units. Every nation in this coalition has chosen to bear the duty and share the honor of serving in our common defense. To all the men and women of the United States Armed Forces now in the Middle East, the peace of a troubled world and the hopes of an oppressed people now depend on you. That trust is well placed.